Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing media sources on the Seat Arona infotainment system. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You can switch between different media sources on the infotainment system. Follow the steps to learn how to change media sources on the Seat Arona infotainment system. Tap the media button to the left of the screen. Then tap Media in the top left corner of the screen. You can now choose between SD card, USB, Bluetooth audio, and AUX. The source with the red outline is the current media source. Tap on a source to change it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.